अभी तक थंबनेल देखकर तो समझ ही गए होंगे कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम। वेल, द मोस्ट रिक्वेस्टेड नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी, दैट इज नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी जोधपुर। So as you know, we are in NLU जोधपुर जो है सन सिटी में, and as you can see the sun, oh god. Okay, so this is fun and as you can see clearly direct कर दिया, ये पूरा side I guess boys का है and this way it's the girls hostel. So quickly let's go. And we have with us our CLAT 2024 topper Kritika. Hi Kritika, how are you?
Very good. How are
So
you?
I'm good, thank you for asking. So Kritika, tell me, hostel life कैसी है?
Hostel life is, to be true, amazing. Like, I have experiences for the first time, but when you come as a new kid, then it's difficult for the starting 2-3 months, but slowly and gradually you make good friends, you chill out with them, then it's amazing.
Okay. Now एक exciting चीज़ जिसके लिए मैं बहुत excited थी was to explore the mess and we are here at mess. तो इसका mess का कुछ particular नाम है या मतलब what do you call it?
Naam, earlier it was Majisa, but now it's like Old Mess and New Mess.
Okay, old mess and new. So basically there are two mess.
There are 2 mess, yeah.
So ऐसा कुछ allocation है कि इस year के students ही यहाँ जाएंगे या
The allocation is all inclusive, like if you want hair you can go there as well, but snacks are particularly served here only.
Okay.
And lunch and dinner are there.
Okay, so क्योंकि अभी snack का time है तो हम यहीं चलते हैं.
Sure.
चलो. Snacks में generally क्या रहता है evening में? Like what do you get?
Snacks में like after summers we have fruits compulsory, plus something else, like today we have sweet corn.
Okay, okay.
And some other days we have other stuff.
So regarding जो जैसा मौसम रहता है उसके हिसाब से you get served. Alright, so let's quickly take it. Okay, so Kritika, walk us through your schedule. आपका daily क्या schedule रहता है morning में classes का?
Daily it's like proper school like system, if I would say, कि hectic schedule full. Like we start from 9 till 4 we have classes, and in between we have 1 hour of break for lunch. So we generally wake up at 7-8 around, and then after 4 we rest. Then we go to library or sports or whatever the students are into.
Okay, so you guys have also weekly timetable या एक दिन पहले you get the timetable?
No.
How
We
does it
have,
go?
I think we have monthly timetables.
Okay, so it's a
Yeah.
whole month of classes are already planned.
Exactly, and
Okay.
we are also told about the schedule. Like even at the beginning of the semester when we'll have exam, like tentative schedule is out.
already provided,
Yeah.
right? So that you guys plan accordingly. कैसे कब
Exactly.
क्या पढ़ना है and
Yeah,
everything. All right. So post exploring the mess, सब खाना पीना हो गया. अब हम जा रहे हैं इंडोर स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स देखने के लिए. So let's go. Okay, so this is something unique. काफ़ी यहाँ पे I think creativity को भी time मिलता है कि आप लोगों को
Exactly, yeah. Apart from academics, we have fest. So this
Okay.
was the cultural fest, I guess, if I'm not wrong. So in NH65, the guys of 4th and 5th years made this out.
All right, this is amazing. Like पढ़ाई के साथ साथ you
Exactly,
also can
balance of
explore your
things.
passion also, right? And I can see यहाँ पे laundry भी है, so you guys can give your laundry over here, yeah?
Exactly, this is the best facility because NLU Jodhpur is quite out from the city, so we don't
Right.
have to go out there.
Almost 12 kilometers.
Exactly, so it's the beneficial thing.
Great, great. And ये क्या है? Normal shops, you get your coffee and everything?
Yeah, exactly. These are the tuck shops. We can get our daily necessities from here.
Okay.
Fruits, juice, and anything else.
Okay. So now that you get free by 4 to 5, what do you do post that?
Post that, if we have like long weekend free, then we can plan outings with the friends. We can schedule movies, or we can chit chat. And the campus is also big enough, so we can just take an ice cream and have a walk around there.
Have a stroll around
Yeah.
whole campus, right? So have you
Exactly.
explored it fully?
Yeah, now we have explored it fully.
Okay, and like अभी क्योंकि mock courts are moot courts are occupied, so कोई mock जिसमें आपने part लिया है, we cannot show the audience, but आपने किसी में part लिया है?
See, the mood culture here is very good. Like we are exposed to the courtroom exercises from the very first year, and this is the best because even the first year students are able to get part in the international level mood courts.
Okay.
So recently we had mood court competitions, ADR rounds as well, and debating rounds as well.
Okay,
So this is quite nice thing about it.
Okay, and do the faculties guide you over here regarding the mood?
Exactly.
Since it's first year students के लिए सब नया होता है, तो
Exactly.
do they guide them?
The faculties guide us very well. Even our seniors are very helpful. We have proper proper committees for these moot court committees, EDIA committees. So yeah, they are very
तो
helpful.
अभी
for
तक
us.
आप किसी कमेटी का पार्ट हो, होल एंड सोल?
Yeah, I am part of legal aid committee.
Okay.
They're also very good
So
committee.
any other campaign that you have run in that अभी तक?
Yeah, it is basically engaged in the ground level work. So we go out and we have adopted the village Surpura.
Okay.
So we do some activities there.
Surpura Dam, right? The
Yeah, the Surpura village which has the dam as well.
So अब क्योंकि आपका क्या schedule है now, या classes है वो समर break कब होता है आपका?
Summer break is like this time we have changed the curriculum. The university has changed it. So we'll have break from 9th May to 1st August. This is the longest we are getting. But normally we have 2 months or
Okay, so
1.5
you have
months.
to plan all your internships yourself only, or the college helps you?
No, the college has a committee that's RICC and that provides us an internship. But that helps us from a 3rd year onwards formally. But still the seniors are always there to guide us.
Okay, okay. And what is this ground for? As because
This is
it's huge.
mainly, we call it football ground because people after 7 p.m. there's full of the footballers here.
Okay.
So you can see people playing football.
So proper matches starts in the evening over
Exactly, after 7.
here. Okay, okay, amazing. और ये जो सामने बिल्डिंग है, आई थिंक ये काफ़ी नई दिख रही है, तो ये क्या है?
Yeah, exactly. This is the convention center.
Okay.
यहाँ पे parents और the guest faculties they can stay here.
Okay, so mostly यहाँ permanent faculty है या guest faculty है जो visit करते हैं?
यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर तो we have permanent faculties, but हाँ apart from that we have guest lectures as well.
Okay, okay. And this is the new mess?
This is the new mess, yes.
और जो बेस्ट पार्ट है नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए आपका अभी तक वो क्या है?
Okay, for me personally, I think it is the single accommodation.
Okay.
Because यहाँ पे we get single room for everyone.
Okay.
This is the best part. You don't have to compromise your likes or dislikes for anyone. This is the best for me.
So no roommate thing here.
No roommate thing here,
So
exactly.
this is, I guess, only in Jodhpur University, right?
Yeah. I also think, as far as I know, this is the only NLU which provides single occupancy. to you.
Okay, okay. So for all semesters it's same. It's
Yeah,
not like first 3 years single accommodation.
no.
Post that you have to share your rooms. Nothing like that.
Nothing like that for everyone.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. So now we have library in front of us. Let's
Okay.
quickly look at this. So this is our academic block. All the classes happen here. So it's like combined place.
Okay. सारे semesters की classes यहीं होती है?
Yeah, exactly. Most of the semesters are here. All UG semesters are here. PG are like in the extension.
Okay. So guys, let's go look at what the classes looks like. Okay, so like this is the normal setup. सारी classes ऐसी ही रहती है almost.
Yeah, exactly. This is the normal setup.
Okay.
Like we have got the new furniture luckily from our batch. And this is the whole setup.
And what about the culture fest? उसका क्या frequency रहता है sports events और इन सब का?
So uski frequency is like the cultural fest happen once in a year and similarly goes for the Yuvarda, that is our sports fest. And apart from that we have different committees, तो उनके functions like normal basis पे हो जाते हैं. On some other day we find something other, like 2-3 days prior we had ethnic day celebration, so everybody was so beautifully dressed and all.
Okay.
So there's something and everything happening.
So there's this whole cultural committee being made
Yeah,
जो
yeah,
ये
yeah.
सब organize करवाती है.
Exactly
And it's
that.
voluntary. You have to, yourself go and take part in that.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, okay. And what about the fest?
Fest was like amazing. I witnessed this for the first time and they call it NH65 and we had multiple singers coming out there and it lasted for 3 days, so it was all
Okay.
fun.
So when was this?
This was like 3-4 months before.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, in October, I guess.
Okay, so must be one hell of an experience.
Exactly. Multiple experiences. Too good.
Okay students, so this was all about National Law University Jodhpur. Now क्योंकि उनका summer break start हो गया था, most of the things we couldn't capture it for you. Nevertheless, now do let us know in the comment section कौन सा NLU you want us to cover next.